What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been really working on some agreements with some companies to get more content for you guys. So this one is actually going to be one of those. So Auxito actually hit me up again and they wanted me to test out a few bulbs for them or whatnot. So this easy, simple DIY video is just going to be on replacing the bulbs where your license plate goes. So the only two things you're going to need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver and your 194 bulbs. Auxito sent me these just with the other set. So we're gonna throw these LEDs to replace the halogen ones and we should be good to go. So as you guys can see, the bulb is actually right here. There's two Phillips heads per each bulb and there's gonna be two bulbs. So there we go. So there it is right there, 1, 2, and then the next one is right there, 1 and 2. As you can see, little plastic casing, take that off, make sure you don't lose it, and then that's the bulb right here, Auxito 194 LED. And all you should have to do is place it right in the same slot. Yep. There it is. And then you just reverse the steps, and we're gonna throw this puppy back on there. The little tab, the DOT tab, should actually go towards your license plate. Okay, let's move to the next one. I would say you do want to be careful about these plastic covers just because they are pretty brittle after all the years, obviously, 30-year car. I'm gonna put this puppy on in there. Just like that. Put the cover back on. So as you guys can see the difference, this is the Auxito LED. This is the regular halogen. You can see totally the difference of exactly how much brighter the other one is. And with the Auxitos, you can actually choose the color that you want. I chose red just because you can actually use these bulbs with your side markers also. And all you gotta do is just retrace the steps here and re-put your covers back on. You should be good to go. And voila, that's what it looks like with the new caps on. It 100% looks brighter already. And I never really thought about it, but the red's probably gonna look pretty sick on the license plate itself. But yeah, so obviously this is during the daytime, so I'll get you guys a nighttime shot shortly, just so you can see the difference. But yeah, pretty pumped. So I did want to tell you guys, while you're putting these Auxito 194 bulbs in, you do want to check the polarity on each side. I do notice with these bulbs, if you put them in one way and they're plugged in, you turn the lights on, they don't turn on, it means you have to take the bulb out and flip it and do the other way. Unfortunately, with these bulbs, you don't really have to, the halogens, because it's literally the same exact setup, so you can just throw it in whichever way. But with these guys, I have learned that. So don't be scared if you get your Auxito package in and you're like, hey, what the heck's going on? Literally just flip the bulb over and it should work. All right, guys, so with that being said, thanks again, Auxito, for sending out the bulbs. I have a ton of more footage coming up for you guys this week coming, so hopefully you guys stick around. I'd love to see you there. And if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there. And going on from there, click one of the links here if you're looking for any additional content. That being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.